Hi everyone, it's Coach Angela here, and recently I had somebody ask me how to prepare a mango. And I'm not an expert, but I decided to show you what I do. So let me adjust my screen so you can see what I do. There we go. Okay, so the pit is kind of flat and wide. So what I do is I kind of imagine it in thirds. And here's the wide part, and then so the narrow way, and I cut down the sides. I figure I'm kind of close to where the pit is, and you can see right there I got pretty close, so not too bad. And then just do the same thing on the other side. There you go, got even closer there. And then I just cut this part. And then this one isn't as ripe as the other ones, but it's easy enough if you want to cut it out to, to kind of hold the skin. And I'm not good with knives, by the way, but hold the skin and cut down it. So you do that part, and then here you can kind of cut around where you can see that the pit is. And you can do the same thing with all the parts of the peel. And so that's how I prepare a mango. Don't know if it's right or the best method, but that's what I do. So again, check out my blog, angelacapers.com. Thanks.